Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So as usual again we are going to code on Sprite Lab. So last time I told you that you can see your project. So if you have signed in, just click on this button and you will see my projects. And then if you click on that you can see your projects. Okay, so now we click on create and then we go to Sprite Lab. So, as I told you, I'm going to explain you all the commands. So first, this is the play area where our commands will execute. This is the toolbox where we can see our codes, and this is the workspace where we code our app game. So worlds are backgrounds, sprites are characters, locations is the location of our sprites, actions are the characteristics of a sprite, and events are like an example when we switch in the bulb switch. If we turn it on, the light will come, and if we turn it off, the light will not come. And these are the behaviors that our sprites will do. And loops, now I'm going to explain you about loops. So when we sometimes it happens that to code we are always writing the same code again and again. So we use this repeat command to repeat the codes, and we needn't write it again and again. Now we go to variables. Variables like you see here, it's written score is equal to this and all, and variables are used for that. Maths, you'll probably know it's in that it's used for variables mostly. So like if you want a score, you can do score plus 1 or anything. And logics, and this one if, like example, if the color is equal to dash, do this. And functions, we can create a function. Text, when we put this command, it will print something. Okay. And comments are it actually doesn't work. So first we choose our background. So you can choose any background you like. Right now I'm choosing this, and I'll tell you what game we are going to create today. In that, 4 objects will be kept here, and 1 car will be here. So one person is not able to find his keys. So we have to help him identify which is the keys, and then when we drag it, it will answer that he will answer that is this object correct or not. And then if it's the correct object, the car will go away, and this is the purpose of our app. So first we are going to select a car, any car you like. So I told you, press this lever button to change the location of our sprite. Then we go to the play area, and then we just move our cursor, and then we place the car in the appropriate place. So we place it, and then we need 4 more sprites. So we take more sprites. This is 2, and in sprites you should pick the first block, and 4. See, this 4 has come. So in that, we first we have to choose the key. Anyone you can choose, any character. So we can choose pastry, we can choose money, we can choose this coin, and Obviously, next our answer comes. So we take the keys. Now we need to place it. So we, as usual, we press the lever button, and I've placed the pastry here. And how to change the size, that I'm going to tell you. First, let's place the sprites. So we are placing the sprites. They are placed, but now we need to change the size. So we go to actions. I told you it changed the characteristics. So we here you will find set rabbit size to 50. So we choose our sprite because we don't have rabbit here, so nothing is getting changed. So we can change the size. So we take pastry and then we make it to the suitable size. So I take 75 and then you can place it again, and then the money sprite. So we go to actions, and then this block we take once again and we make it to money, and 50 is too small, so we can take it as 70. Yes, 70 will be proper, right? So here the coin is okay, so just let's place it once again. And the keys is also it's big, so again we go to actions, then we set the size. So we have to pick our sprite, whichever sprite we want to change. So we take the keys one, and let's set the size as 65. 65 is too small. Let's take it as 80. So 80 is proper for me. You can change of your own comfort. So we are done, right? So now we are going to code everything. Whatever this designing, everything is done. So now we want it to be draggable. So in my first video, I told you that in behaviors, being draggable means our sprite would be draggable. So first we go to events. So we want when that particular sprite is clicked, it should be draggable. So I choose pastry, and then we go to 1 minute. So we want it to be draggable. So we go to behaviors and then being draggable. But it will not fix here. So again we go to behaviors. We choose this sprite first. This block first. So this sprite begins being draggable. So this is not our sprite. This pastry is our sprite. But one thing is mandatory. Whichever sprite you choose here, that same sprite should come here. For example, if you click money, pastry should not be draggable. That money should only be draggable. So our sprite should be same. So again we are going to do it for all of our sprites. See, so this one we change it as keys, and this also has keys. So we continue doing like that. So then we are going to test our app. And another sprite we have as money. Then we go to behaviors. This sprite begins being draggable. So this is the thing we are going to do today. So when it clicks, it should even comment what is our answer. Is it correct or wrong? Right? So first we complete this. Okay, so we have done this. So now it's time for our next part. But first we will check what is it correct or not? Is it draggable or not? See, when I click it, it's being draggable. Even this. See, you can check your app. Right? And the sky is doing nothing. See, it is not saying anything. And to check our app, first we should click the run button and then we can reset it. And to delete a block, just drag it to the toolbox. So now we need to add more event blocks. So when this wait a second, when keys touches car, the key should not be there. It should be removed. So we go to the sprite in the toolbox and then we see this remove sprite. So we take this block, drag it, and then we make it as keys. We want the keys to be removed. So now let it comment. So we go to text and it says the answer is correct or anything you can write. So I'm writing, yay, I got it. So any text you like, you can write it. So now we'll do the same for all the sprites. Again we drag this block. We make it to pastry and then we make it to car. And then we should this sprite should get removed. Again we go to sprites, pick up this remove sprite block and then select the sprite as pastry. And then it should comment that it is wrong. So we go to print and then it should say it is not the correct answer. Anything you like, you can write. So again we go to events, one more block I'm picking. Okay, so we place it a bit down. So this one we change it to coin and then we change it to a car, right? So then this sprite should get removed, this coin. So we go to sprites and then pick this remove sprite block and then we make it to coin and then again it should comment that it's wrong. So I told you can write anything you like. So this one we are going to change the sprite. It has money touches the car. So this money sprite should get removed. So we go to sprites and then we pick the remove block and then make the sprite as money. Then the money sprite would get removed, and then again it has to say something. So it will say is not the answer. Okay, so now let's check our app game. So it got removed and it's saying it is not the correct answer. And then again we go to money. No, it's not the answer. So now let's go to coin. Oh, it was a nice try. See, our comments are working. So one more thing, when the key touches the car should move. So we go to actions and first it should turn right by 90 degrees. The car. So it turns by 90 degree towards right, and then it should start moving towards it should go forward. So we go to behaviors, we take this car sprite begins moving east. So let's see if it's working. So we see it is not the correct answer. No, it's not the answer. Oh, it was a nice try. See, it was going. I'll show you. Too many comments were there. So I'll just drag the key over there so that you can see. So when I drag it, see, it's moving. So this is our app for today. This is all for today. Stay tuned for my channel. Subscribe, share and like. Thank you.